Hello everyone!
My name is Faye Sanico.
I am Erica Sanico, the mother of Faye.
I'm Ian Sanico, her father.
I am from Santa Quiteria Elementary School, grade 4 section humility, with my science teacher, Mr. Harley B. Corsiga. My home-based collaboration family interactive video project is all about Battle Tank.
Hindi bala, hindi bomba, sa marami ang sagot. Ang inisang dugo ay galit na bumabalo. Mga walang kamuwang-muwang, kaya kapang luha at takot. Mga maling halikain ay tamang sagot. Marawin, sabay-sabay natin ibabangon. Buong pagmamahal, tayo ay aahon. Marawin, darating din ang isang napit hapon. Sisikat ang araw sa isang bagong ngayon.
Sarap! No! Are you ready, Faye?
Sir, yes sir.
Carry on.
Battle tank or main battle tank is a tank that fills the armor, protected direct fire and maneuver role of many modern armies. It is originally called landships. Lancelot de Mol first invented the first tank. Great Britain first introduced tanks to the battlefields during the World War I. The first tank was Little Willie. It is unveiled in September 1915. Today, Black Panther is the most advanced main battle tank in the world. It is commenced to the South Korean Army in 2016. Battle tank is an important military weapon and the best weapon to kill tanks of your enemy.
Thank you for watching, guys!